The boilers produced by EPCB are suitable for a wide range of applications in the basic chemical industry. This is an oil-fired gas boiler, which is used in the production of packaging foam boxes. Compared with solid fuel boilers, EPCB oil-fired gas boilers have higher thermal efficiency, lower emissions, and are more environmentally friendly. The fuel gas boiler is the star product of EPCB boiler. EPCB expert team can help you find the perfect boiler for your needs. This glove factory chooses thermal oil boiler to produce glove coating. The boiler adopts a two-coil structure, 3-pass flue gas, and a compact design. EPCB provides boiler system solutions and guides installation and commissioning on site to ensure safe and stable operation of the boiler. You can rest assured that EPCB's products will meet all your needs and requirements. EPCB, your personal boiler system expert.